Okay, so what we have, we're working on inspirational quotes. So this says you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. And this is another one, I've got a feeling. So what we're doing is first drawing it in pencil on copy paper, making it nice and big. Then once you get approval from me, you're gonna trace it in Sharpie so that it's easy to see through the watercolor paper. Then you're gonna trace it onto watercolor. So this has already had that step done. Now I'm gonna show you how to get it digitized. So instead of taking a picture where there's a lot of different values, we're gonna do a scan. So the way we're gonna do that, if you have an iPhone, if you don't have an iPhone, you do the exact same thing, but you download the app, Adobe Scan, follow the exact same procedure, send it to yourself, and then you are good to go. You're gonna go to Notes if you have an iPhone, and then you're gonna choose to make a new note, and then you're gonna choose the camera. But instead of taking a photo, you're gonna scan document. That's gonna turn it into straight black and white. And then go like this, and it's gonna automatically take the picture. So now we're gonna look at it, and does that look good? You like it? Okay, so now we're done. Now we're gonna take that, it's in straight black and white. Now we're gonna save it. Oh, I accidentally took two. I'll just delete the other one. And then we're done. So now you have that. It's black and white. It's gonna be really easy to use in photo editing. We're gonna use Photopea. You could use Photoshop, whatever. So then after we have this digitized, we're gonna send it to ourselves. It's probably easiest if you email it to yourself. And so then you would go to, or you could send it to Google Classroom, but most people email it if you have that. Yeah, just email it. Then you have it on your Chromebook or your computer, and then you can upload it however we need to do next. So that's all you do. I'm gonna do it really fast just as a review. So to scan it, we have our black and white with the Sharpie on the drawing. We choose Notes. We choose this thing here to make a new one. We choose Camera, Scan Document. We hold it over and it chooses the area. And then we look at it to make sure it looks good. I think it does. And so then we'd say done. And then save. Done. And then we choose this button to email it to ourselves. Okay, so that is how you get it to yourself. And then the next thing will be, I'll show you how to photo edit it. You can make GIFs and different colors and your t-shirt designs and everything like that. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.